What's up, guys? I'm Andrew, this is RS Built, and we're back with another video about the Lamborghini Murcielago rebuild. So today, we're going to be going through, we're going to start tearing down, get the doors off, we're going to get the hatch off, we're going to see as far as we can, just get through as much of this car as we possibly can. Got my buddy Ryan out here to help today, and let's get right into it. Alright, first thing to go is this door. It doesn't even stay down for the most part. Once it goes up, it's really difficult to get it down. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing out of here, get this off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so here's a quick little update for you guys. Got the door card off. It's down here. So that was a little bit harder than I was expecting, but Ryan was a big help with that, so that's all taken care of. Looks like we're unfortunately going to need a new speaker. Knowing Lamborghini, this is going to be a crazy expensive part. We've got some other door parts over here. Up top, we've got a couple bolts and stuff. Right now we're going to take a pause and we're going to go ahead and bag all of these guys and label them up so that we don't lose them. Door is off. Definitely a little bit more work than we bargained for, but in the end wasn't too bad. All we had was there's the gas strut right here. Took that out. We went ahead, went underneath here, and the hinge bolted in right there. So we got that. The plug for the door wires was right there. Pulled that out, and everything just came right on out. So the door was definitely a little bit heavier than we expected, but it's gone now, so making progress. got our wheel separated from the rest of the hub assembly. Unfortunately, we found a couple cracks going on the wheel, so this wheel is toast, which is really sad. I was hoping that this wheel was going to be okay, but we've got a big crack there, and we've got some cracks running through our spokes. So, unfortunately, I think this wheel can't be saved. So after a little bit of vacuuming, things are looking quite a bit better. We got the driver's side cleaned out a little bit better as well. A little bit more vacuuming on the console. Everything's definitely improving. Go down here, I went ahead and pulled off the side skirt. That's over here now, pretty mangled. We'll definitely need a new one of those. But overall, once the broken parts are off, you can kind of use your imagination and kind of see where the new parts are going to go. So coming on up front, this is the next area that I'm going to tackle. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned out a little bit, see if we can get the broken bits off. Just generally get this a little bit more cleaned up too. Alright, so everything is cleaned up. I went ahead and pulled the weather stripping off just because I wanted to see what I'm dealing with here. As you can see, the frame got pushed in right up front. Obviously we had some sort of impact right here, and so there's definitely going to have to be something that goes on with this. So you can see over here on our left side, everything is where it should be. Over here on the right, obviously not where it should be. Alright guys, that's a wrap. We're going to go ahead and call it a night right here. First off, huge thanks to Ryan for coming out here and helping me out today. Definitely could have done without his help. Really thrilled with the work that we got done today. Next time, we're going to start getting into the suspension. I'm going to tear down the front and the rear, see what all we need, see what's actually damaged and what we can save. Looking forward to that one, and I hope you are too. I'll see you in the next one.